This George Foreman Contact Submersible Grill, a 5-serving grill with adjustable temperature control and black plates, is a standout appliance in the realm of kitchen gadgets. Known for its convenient and user-friendly design, this grill addresses one of the most common grievances with grilling appliances, the cumbersome cleanup process. With the ability to wash the entire grill, coupled with advanced features for cooking efficiency and precision, the George Foreman Contact Submersible Grill promises to elevate your grilling experience. Let's explore the features, benefits, and overall performance of this innovative grill. The first thing you notice about the George Foreman Submersible Grill is its sleek, modern design. The black plates give it a contemporary look that will complement any kitchen decor. The build quality is robust, with a solid construction that promises durability over extended use. One of the most revolutionary aspects of this grill is its submersible capability. Unlike traditional grills that require careful hand cleaning, this grill allows you to remove the control panel and submerge the entire unit for cleaning. This feature alone sets it apart from many other grills on the market. The George Foreman Submersible Grill eliminates the hassle of post-cooking cleanup. By simply removing the control panel, you can place all remaining components in the dishwasher or sink. This makes cleaning up after a meal incredibly straightforward and efficient, saving you valuable time and effort. The ability to wash the entire grill ensures that every nook and cranny is thoroughly cleaned, maintaining the appliance's hygiene and longevity. Efficiency is key in modern kitchens, and this grill excels with a 30% faster preheat time compared to the George Foreman grill. This rapid heat-up means you can get meals on the table quicker, perfect for busy weeknights or when you have hungry guests waiting. The quick preheat feature does not compromise the cooking quality, ensuring your food is cooked evenly and thoroughly. The grill plates are coated with the advanced George Tough nonstick coating, which is 3 times more durable than the standard nonstick coatings found on previous models. This enhanced durability means the grill plates are resistant to wear and tear, maintaining their nonstick properties over a longer period. The nonstick surface ensures that food releases easily, reducing the amount of oil or butter needed for cooking, thereby promoting healthier meals. Additionally, it makes the cleaning process even more straightforward as food residues do not cling to the plates. Precision in cooking is vital, and the George Foreman Submersible Grill delivers with its adjustable temperature dial. This feature allows you to set the grill to the exact temperature needed for various types of food, ensuring perfect results every time. Whether you're searing a steak, grilling chicken, or preparing a panini, you can adjust the temperature to suit your specific needs. This level of control is particularly beneficial for those who enjoy experimenting with different recipes and cooking techniques. The grill's generous cooking surface allows for up to 5 servings, making it ideal for family meals or small gatherings. The 34 hinge accommodates thicker cuts of meat and hearty sandwiches, ensuring versatility in what you can prepare. From breakfast foods like pancakes and bacon to dinner favorites like burgers and grilled vegetables, this grill handles it all with ease. Its capacity to cook multiple servings at once makes it a practical choice for families who want to enjoy home-cooked meals without spending too much time in the kitchen. Performance-wise, the George Foreman Submersible Grill delivers consistently impressive results. The even heat distribution ensures that food cooks uniformly, avoiding hot spots that can lead to uneven cooking. The adjustable temperature control allows for precise cooking, whether you're gently grilling vegetables or searing a steak. The nonstick coating performs exceptionally well, ensuring that food doesn't stick and that cleanup is a breeze. One of the core philosophies of George Foreman grills is promoting healthier cooking. The advanced nonstick coating reduces the need for added fats, while the grill's design allows grease to drain away from the food. This results in lower fat content without sacrificing flavor. The ability to cook delicious meals with less oil is a significant benefit for health-conscious consumers. Despite its ample cooking surface, the George Foreman Submersible Grill is designed with space efficiency in mind. It can be stored upright, saving valuable counter or cabinet space. This compact design does not compromise on functionality. making it a great choice for those with limited kitchen space. Conclusion: the George Foreman Contact Submersible Grill is a remarkable appliance that combines convenience, efficiency, and versatility. Its unique submersible feature revolutionizes the cleanup process, while the advanced non-stick coating and adjustable temperature control enhance cooking performance. With a capacity to prepare meals for up to 5 people, it is well suited for families and small gatherings. The grill's ability to heat up quickly and cook a wide variety of foods makes it a practical and valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for a grill that simplifies cooking and cleaning without compromising on quality, the George Foreman Contact Submersible Grill is an excellent choice. Its innovative features and user-friendly design ensure that you can enjoy delicious, healthy meals with minimal effort. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.